Without wearing a seatbelt, the driver spread his wings and flew out of the car like Spider-Man. Stepping on the gas pedal in your dream car is a feeling that everyone desires. Just one small mistake is enough to turn the dream into a terrible nightmare, like the situation in the clip.
Sure be a shame if someone just went
After around 10-50 rollover. Mine's the second EMS immediate roll. Previous 1050, 84 west.
Jump like Superman, land like meeting a dumbbell. Motorcyclist threw himself on top of car after accident. Unbelievable. The fugitive recklessly drove to exit 35, lost control, crashed into a fence, and was immediately arrested.
Hey, hands! Put him up! Put him up! On the ground! 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 On the ground!
A high-speed car chase on a Florida highway ended in dramatic fashion when the SUV being pursued by police crashed into two other cars and a guardrail before flipping over. Thankfully, no one was injured. Man miraculously escapes death when giant concrete slab crushes his car. Heart-stopping moment. The racing car skidded, facing the abyss and almost falling off the cliff. Thank you for watching the whole video. Please share your most impressive moments in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to support us. See you in the next video.